So now we test the Shay 2-track the first time with hot steam. And this is a steam generator, as you have already seen before. The steam is coming and I fill now the steam into the boiler. There's no water in, and you will see now how the pressure increases. You can already see steam is coming out of all the different positions at the steam pump, and the cylinders will become hot as well. So the steam is in the system. Now I open the steam pump. And I prime, so the water is going into the system now. The water couch I check, it's going up. Water is pumping, maximum pumping efficiency, going up, good. Now I start the engine, I prime it. So this is forward. You can see there's still some dirt coming out of the restored cylinders. Close all the. And now let it full speed backward. Go with it bit down with the speed. So now including the water pump, pumping water, that's fine. The transfer gears, it's running. Now I run them a while to allow the right priming of all metal parts. When they start to produce clear oil, then all engine parts are in the right or trimmed the right way. So that's the reason why I let them run under heat a while.